It's tech time. What's up, everyone? Back at you again with another video, and that's right, this is the camera test of the iPhone 11 Pro and the Galaxy Note 10. So without further ado, let's get this thing started. Okay, so starting off with a wide angle shot of the bananas, I can definitely notice a difference in white balance. The iPhone 11 Pro is on the warmer side and the Galaxy Note 10 is on the cooler side. Me personally, I like the Note 10's more cool tone in this one. Now both look sharp, but I tend to notice the Note 10's photos are a little more sharper, like razor sharp. Zooming into the sound right here, the words are more clearer than what is being displayed on the iPhone 11 Pro. Here's another wide angle shot, and again, the Note 10 is the cooler tone in this one. And as you can see, the iPhone has like a slight yellow tone to it. However, the iPhone 11 Pro colors are more accurate to what I was seeing in person. But the Note 10's HDR did a much better job with the highlights. You can see right here the sky is better exposed on the Note 10 and it's blown out on the iPhone 11 Pro. And this shot right here, both look great, but for my liking, I'm going to go with the iPhone 11 Pro. Even though again on the Note 10 you can see the sky a little bit better. Both phones again are looking good here, but the red on the fire extinguisher is being displayed correctly on the iPhone. And personally, zooming in, to me the iPhone did a better job. Hey look, it's Jack Skellington. Honestly, this is a tough one to choose from. It really comes down to personal preference. The iPhone is looking more natural, which is good for people who like a flatter image like me, and more control to be able to color grade as you want. Whereas the Note 10 is looking slightly already color graded, so I have to get this on a draw. Okay, so this photo right here, I'm liking the colors of the friendly scarecrows better on the iPhone 11 Pro. The Note 10 looks like it's making their faces more bright, which doesn't look bad, but when compared to the iPhone, I'm not feeling it. However, even though I'm liking the more blurry background on the iPhone, it messed up. If you take a look in between the two scarecrows, the Note 10 did a great job keeping it together. So in terms of colors and overall image, I give it to the iPhone 11 Pro, but in terms of the blurry background, aka the bokeh, I give it to the Note 10. In this photo, I'm definitely not liking what the Note 10 did here. It's making her skin way too bright, which some people may like that, and her shirt was not washed out. The iPhone displayed everything you see correctly. A lot of these portrait photos I took are in tricky light conditions. In this photo right here, in terms of a natural blur and edge detection, I'll give it to the Note 10. However, it's still making the skin tone more bright than it should be, which kind of hurts the photo in my opinion. Right here, both didn't do a great job. The iPhone is looking a hair dark, but as I stated before, you can tweak the photo to your liking, whereas the Note 10 is making his skin a little saturated, like Instagram ready. Which again, this photo comes down to personal preference. Alright, we in 4K, 60 frames per second. That's right, 4K 60 frames per second, walking right now. Doing a little test. Right now, alright? This is Hallmark style. 4K, 60 frames per second. Which one y'all think look better? We'll test right now. Okay, 60 frames per second. This is no cursing. This is 4K, 60 frames per second. You got Tisha, you got Michelle. What is going on, y'all? Say hello. Are you going to get the iPhone 11? You got the iPhone. Show me. Oh, you got the 11. You like it?
Yep.
What about you? Are you getting the iPhone 11?
Yeah,
11 Pro?
and then I got my Apple Watch.
You got the yellow. I'll show y'all this quality, but y'all pretty much gonna be on the video. So, any shout outs, anything?
Add me on Snap.
Okay.
Put me in the description below.
Okay, all right.
Y'all can add me too, yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, this is the front-facing video, 4K 30 frames per second on both phones. Both phones look pretty solid. Which one you think looks better? Which one you think sound better? Front-facing video, 4K 30 frames per second. You might hear the band in the background. Okay, now the iPhone 11 Pro can record 4K 60 frames per second. The Galaxy Note 10 does not have this option. What you guys think? 4K 60 frames per second. Alright, so after this shot, I won't be doing too much talking. That way you all can decide what you think is better. Okay, so looking at this photo, the iPhone did a better job at keeping the skin natural. It also did a better job with the bokeh. If I zoom in a bit, you can notice on the Note 10, his arm got messed up a bit. But still, both photos look great. But for me, I'm going to crown it to the iPhone 11 Pro. a little camera test right now. 4K 60 frames per second. Starting to get dark out. Now you guys see the quality of it at night. Nice breeze going on out here. All right. Okay, so based off this test, it's really hard for me to crown a winner. So you know what? I'm going to give them both a draw. But I lean more towards the iPhone 11 Pro's photos because it gives you more of a natural photo and allows you to tweak it how you want to in post. Whereas the Note 10 gives you more of an Instagram ready photo, which isn't bad at all. But all the time, I'm probably not going to want that more saturated image, which Samsung's got a lot better. I will say that. Note 10's got a lot better about that. But for me personally, I'm going to say the iPhone 11 Pro. I will say this though. The iPhone 11 Pro has the best video on the phone. Hands down. If you haven't already, check out my epic workout video. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. Check out my epic workout video filmed entirely on the iPhone 11 Pro. Let me know what you think. So like, comment, subscribe as always. Salute to the flag. It's for the love of tech. And I'm going to catch you all on the next one. Peace.